In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Skool calendar. If you're part of a Skool community, the calendar is your central hub for staying on top of events, live calls, meetups, and important dates your community has scheduled. Knowing exactly where to find it will save you time and help you plan ahead with confidence. Start by opening the Skool community you're a member of. You want to be inside the specific community space, not just browsing a general feed. Think of each community as its own home base with dedicated sections for posts, resources, and of course, the calendar. Once you're in that space, you're in the right place to locate upcoming activities. Next, look to the main navigation. On most screens, you'll see a navigation panel running down the left-hand side. In some layouts, especially on narrower screens, that navigation can shift to a bar across the top. In either case, you're looking for the tab labeled Calendar. It's usually grouped with other core sections, making it easy to spot at a glance. If your window is small or zoomed in, the layout may condense slightly, but the calendar label should still be visible somewhere in that primary navigation area. Keep your eyes on the left panel first, then scan the top bar if you don't see it right away. Once you've found the Calendar tab, click it. This opens a dedicated page showing all upcoming events that have been scheduled in your community. Depending on how the community is set up, you might see a classic calendar grid with days and dates or a streamlined list view that stacks events in chronological order. Both views give you the essentials: event titles, dates, times, and a brief description so you know what each session is about before it happens. As you scan the calendar, notice how the time frame is organized. Some communities emphasize near-term events so you can quickly see what's next, while others showcase a full month to help you plan further ahead. You may also notice recurring sessions, like weekly calls or monthly meetups, which make it easy to build a routine. Times are typically shown in your local time, so the details should match your schedule without any mental math. That's it. Open your community, locate the Calendar tab in the main navigation on the left or top, and click it to view all scheduled events. With this simple flow, you'll always know what's coming up and never miss the moments that matter.